Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, I am explaining how to convert text into MP3 format. So you need to download and install Audacity software. First of all, you can go to open Google Chrome, type Audacity. The link is already given in our video description. You can directly open our description and download it. Now I am going to Audacity download. Verify you are a human. Now the page Audacity is open. You can choose which type of software is recorded in your PC. If you are using Windows, you can choose Windows. Otherwise, you can choose Mac or you can choose Linux. This Audacity software is a freeware on all editions. So I am using Windows. So download this Windows 32 and 64-bit software. Your download will start within few seconds. Wait for completion of the download. Download is started and the version of Audacity is 3.2.5 and total 13.7 MB. Now go to install the Audacity software. Click on the Audacity, choose the language, choose the path, destination path you need to select, otherwise it will install program files Audacity. If you want a desktop shortcut, already check mark on this box, otherwise you can uncheck. The Audacity software is successfully installed in your PC. Welcome to Audacity. If you don't want to see again on the startup, check mark this box and click OK. Now, the Audacity software is open and you need to change some small audio setup. Go to this audio setup, click and go to audio setting. Here, interface, host. You can change the host, click on this host and drop down menu you can choose Windows Vasa P and playback device. The playback device by default is a speaker and recording device is microphone and channel is 2 stereo and latency by default 100 and -130 latency compensation and click OK. The setup of Audacity is completed. Now I want to record the text file to MP3. So I can copy this text, open next new tab and you can translate English to Hindi. Here I am pasting this text. I am recording this voice. Before that I am going to Audacity software, click on record button. Yeah, the shortcut is R. I am pressing this record button.
कोड प्रलेखन अनुवाद उपयोगकर्ता समर्थन और हमारे नवीनतम कोड का परीक्षण करके हमारी सहायता करके ऑडेसिटी में योगदान करने के लिए सभी का स्वागत है.
All are welcome to contribute to Audacity by helping us with code, documentation, translations, user support and by testing our latest code.
குறியீடு, ஆவணங்கள், மொழிபெயர்ப்புகள், பயனர் ஆதரவு மற்றும் எங்கள் சமீபத்திய குறியீட்டை சோதிப்பதன் மூலம் ஆடாசிட்டிக்கு பங்களிக்க அனைவரும் வரவேற்கிறோம்.
Now the recording is completed. Now I need to export this audio file by using various format. Click on the file and go to export and choose decide format. I need MP3 format. So export as MP3. The path is shown where you want to save. I need using in desktop. So click on this desktop and given the format name and click save and edit metadata tags. If you want to add the artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre, comments, everything you need, you can add it here. Otherwise, click OK. The file is successfully exported in our desktop by using Audacity freeware software. If you have any kind of query, you may text me on our comment box and we are replying on your comments and queries. One small humble request to you. You are watching first time in our video and first time in our channel, kindly subscribe, bell icon to choose all notification. You can get regular video notification on your YouTube page notification area.